Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Today's reading is going to be different, Virgos, for your career situation and your relationship. I'll be picking one card each, Virgos. If you want a more detailed love reading, you can watch that pick a card love reading that is coming right after this daily reading, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation first. It's Master of Moons, guys, Virgos. So with this card in your situation, Virgos, you are a person who is brimming with confidence. You have that skill, talents, and maybe you are a person in some creative field. You are an artist, or you can be a banker. You may be a banker, a doctor, someone important, some important person in society, guys. And you are a person who inspires others in your through the way you handle your situation, through your skills and talents. So people look up to you for support and guidance, and you are things are going in a very positive way today for your career situation, guys, Virgos. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's Five of Spheres. So with this card for your relationship, I see that maybe it is time for you to forgive yourself, guys. Maybe something of your past, you are still hurting yourself, just thinking that all those things that happened in your past relationship, it's all your mistake, and you are simply criticizing yourself, repeating the same old story to you again and again, and hurting yourself, hurting you emotionally, feeling stressed all the time. So you just try too hard to do the right things in this connection. Maybe that may be the reason that things may be going downhill in this relationship, guys. So you need to first forgive yourself, let go of that past, have that love on yourself, respect on yourself, and belief and faith in yourself first. So when you do that, you will be able to see that love and belief in that other person also, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos. If you want a more detailed love reading, Virgos, you can watch that pick a card love reading that is coming right after this reading, guys. Stay tuned for that pick a card. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. This is your first deck and this is your second deck, guys. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it, and I'll be picking 3 cards from each deck. You can close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds and open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. That way, that reading may answer your questions, guys, whatever you have in your mind regarding your love situation. So after a few seconds of silence, I'll be starting with this deck. This is the first deck, guys. Okay, guys, so let's start the reading with the first deck. We will keep this deck aside now. So let's see what's coming with this deck, the first deck. What are the cards? We'll be picking 3 cards, guys, for your situation, for those who have chosen this deck. So whatever questions you have in your mind about your situation, you can think about it. Let's see, this is the first card, the Sun. This is your second card, 8 of Pentacles in reverse, Sun in reverse, and 5 of Pentacles. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today. So, with these cards, guys, I see that for many of you who have chosen this deck, I see that today you may be interested in more than one person, or many people are interested in you. They are attracted to you, they want to have a relationship with you. Maybe if you are open to a relationship, or even if you are in a connection, you still have some kind of interest in somebody else, or you just want to try something else with another person. Maybe you are interested finding someone much more interesting, and you have your attention on them. And this may not be a good thing, guys, a good positive thing for your connection, but still you have your you are attracted to someone. Maybe if you are open to a relationship, you may be finding someone, many people attractive to you, and you don't know whom to choose or whom to be with. So some kind of confusion or doubts because of that. So you don't know which person to choose and with whom you have to be with today, guys. So, or for some of you, there may be you may be having crush on many people. Maybe your common friend, someone from your family circle or your friend circle, someone, or maybe in your work situation, someone may be there. So there are many people interesting you today, guys, and may not be, all of them may not be the right choice. So you are still thinking, and you are still in a state of confusion which direction to go, or this may be the other person's energy. So they may have you as one of their love interest, and they may have many people also. So you need to be careful, guys. That is what I see, guys, for those who have chosen this deck. So let's see what are the cards with the other deck. So again, we'll be picking 3 more cards from this deck for those who have chosen this deck. Let's see what are the cards. So this is your first card, your second card, and third card here, guys. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it, and we will turn these cards now. It's 6 of Suns, Empress in reverse, and Alchemist of Spheres in reverse. So for those who have chosen these cards, guys, the second cards, the energy we see here is that this person you are in connection with, guys, they are really obsessed with you. They have a true love on you, guys. They love you for what you are, and they love the way you are physically and the way you are emotionally and psychologically. They have this deep bond with you, and they have this huge attraction towards you, guys, and they are simply obsessed with you, with your qualities, with your beauty, and they cannot be away from you even for some time. So they are being really possessive of you. So they want to take control of you in some ways, make some decisions for you. For some of you, this may sound too dominating, too controlling, or invading your personal space. But This person is doing all this out of love, guys. That is the reason they are behaving in us in such a way with you. So they are simply showering you with love, gifts, and they just want to be there with you always. So they don't know how to control their feelings for you, guys. That is the reason they are behaving this way. Maybe for some of you, you may feel this person has gone mad, or simply trying to control you, or indulge in every what to say, being very nosy, trying to find everything about you, or trying to say something when you're making some decisions. So the reason may be true love, guys. So that is what I see with these cards. So for those who have chosen this second deck, this person is really addicted to your love. That is the reason they just want to be there with you always, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.